Welcome to DealMirror. I am Kuhu, and in this video, I will guide you about the working of the tool Balloonary, which builds and runs ads with the power of AI. So let's start. Once you log into the app, first thing is to enter the ID and the password. After entering it, the dashboard of the app opens, in which you will see your login ID at the top left. Below that, you will see options like campaigns, adverts, payments, notifications, and integrations. By clicking on the option of the campaign, you will see you can design a campaign, or if you have already designed, then you will see the existing ones on the right hand side of the screen. If you want to design the new campaign, then click on the new campaign option. A pop-up window will open, asking you about the website URL that you want to promote. After entering the URL, click on Scan Website. Then it will automatically generate the information regarding website, like the business name and its description. And if you want to add or make changes, then can add in the box provided. Then click on the Confirm button. A pop-up window will open with a question about which platform is for you, opens providing you with the options like Google, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Pick or select a platform where you want to run an ad and click on the Next button. This will let your window show content, targeting, and funding. Design the content for the ad, set the target location, and enter the funding of the ad. In the target section, you can select the location in the entire world, keywords by which it gets searched. You can enter from 4 to 40 keywords for searching, and demographics of the languages. Set the budget one-off or monthly. The amount is already there. After entering you can see the check forecast, and if satisfied, click on the launch, and you can ask for an expert to directly make the payments by clicking on the option. You can further check the campaign by clicking on it, where you can see the impressions and the visits. Other options are performance, which you can set to know how your ad is performing. Is your goal satisfied? How many people or traffic reaches the page? And what result you get? Other options like the payment, when clicked, will tell you about the payments you have made. It generally keeps the record. And option integration is there. By clicking on it, you can integrate Balloonary with other social media platforms like the Facebook and Instagram, etc. So this is how you can design the ads, and you can also disable it by clicking on the 3 buttons on the right hand side of the campaign, clicking on it and unpublish. I hope I made it clear to you. If still has queries, then please write to us in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please share and subscribe to it. With these incredible features, this tool is available at DealMirror at a lifetime deal offer of $49 and $99, opt according to need. See you soon in other videos with information and working on other tools. Bye and very good luck with your work.